Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Capitec Cup. Kaizer 1, Zamalek 1. I'm joined by my brother Ikamabanu Pumagupi.
Zembe. Yeah.
Ibone kanjani ngwana mane?
Stivo. Chiefs City.
Yeah.
Ito bayisabathu.
Itahlaya abantu.
Kodwa abathu banji bachikodwa na Chiefs City.
Yeah.
Abayifavi.
Yeah.
Mabakhaniya masandra wana akwenyaga mina.
Yeah.
Stivo.
Yeah.
We were up against one of the best in the continent.
Yes.
But we came out to see.
Yes.
1-1.
Yes.
That means Chiefs is the biggest.
Yeah.
Chiefs is the biggest. Stivo, sinada ngasuyamba thi. Nabi, they are sometimes. I do miss Nabi.
Yeah.
Just because Nabi thi, or there's some momentum to the team.
Yeah.
Nabi always had that confidence
To the team.
Yeah. So these guys is Stivo.
Cedric Cars.
Sandrawana, Bakania, or whoever.
Yeah.
They think we are that Kaizer Chiefs or 10 of
Last season.
10 years back.
Yeah.
We are not that Kaizer Chiefs in your Odwaka team.
Yeah.
A Chiefs ain't got Odwaka team.
Yeah.
This Chiefs, man, is the biggest. This Tyson in tea. Nimutua Munna. Yeah. Ngabe Miss Mutua Munna tea. Yeah. I was going to kiss you, Steve. Just for Kaizer Chiefs. Yes.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?